How to edit voice memos on iPhone. How's it going, everyone? Welcome back to the Static Studio, and today's guide video I'll show you how you can edit any voice memos from your iPhone. So without further ado, let's jump right into the video, guys. Well, so now to edit your voice memos, simply go ahead and open up the voice memo from your device, and he'll get to see I have some recordings right here. And let's say I just want to record this recording. I'm going to tap on this one and tap on this three-dot line right over here, and he'll get to see the edit recording. If I tap on this one here, it's going to quickly give you the option to edit the voice memo. First thing first, if I open up the filter option at the top left right here, he'll get to see it's going to give you the option to adjust the playback speed. You can actually adjust the playback speed from here. You can tap on the skip silence to keep it silence, and also you can enhance the recording from here as well. But if I get back from here, he'll get to see the crop icon at the top right. If I tap on this one here, it's going to give you the option to trim the recording from here. You can actually adjust the position where exactly you want to trim the audio from here. So let's say I'm going to select this one. You can either trim the recording selected, trim from here, and also you can delete the selected option right from here as well. Let's say I'm going to tap on trim, and the recording will be trimmed with the position. And you can tap on apply, and you actually can tap on done. You can tap on save new recording, and the portion will be saved to your device. And this is how you actually can edit voice memos on your iPhone. Hope you find this very helpful, guys. If you do, please drop a like and subscribe to the channel. See you guys around, and thank you very much for watching.